Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure driver DNP3.0. To configure DNP3.0 driver, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LTDNP3 client. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Right-click on selected process and click on Restart the selected process. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, and select DNP3.0 driver. Click on plus icon and enter the device name. Select Device field displays all created devices. Using this field, one can select the devices. After selection of a device, its details are displayed. Under Device Settings, IP address field is used to configure IP address of the device. Port number field is used to configure port number of DNP3 device. Destination address is the outstation address to which we have to connect DNP3 client. A unique destination address needs to be set for each device configured in DNP3 client device configuration screen as well as in the DNP3 device. RBE, that is report by exception polling, is to enable-disable RBE polling. RBE poll interval field will be used to configure poll interval given for RBE mechanism. This field will be disabled initially. It will only enable when RBE polling is checked. If RBE polling interval is defined, it will give the information, data, with that interval only. Class 01 to 3 poll interval will be used to configure the time interval in milliseconds for polling information present in class 01 to 3. The DNP3 driver will poll the static as well as event information from the device according to this time interval. Device status will give the actual status of device, whether it is connected or not connected. Internal indication gives information on certain status and error conditions within the outstation in all responses. Enable device function will enable-disable the device for DNP3 communication. Save button is used to save all the device-related settings in database, and pop-up will appear indicating device settings updated. Clicking this exit button will discard the changes and close the screen. Open the tag editor and select the desired tag. Right-click on desired tag, then insert config and channel setting. Select the device type as DNP3.0 driver. Channel identification field displays channel identification string. The format of channel identification is as device.dataObjectGroupID.index. Driver instance field is used to select the driver instance of the device. Under Device Details tab, Device field will display all the devices created by the user in device configuration screen. User can select devices. Index field is used to specify the address of the data object which user wants to read or write. Under Data Object, binary input, counter input, analog input, double-bit binary input, all these are readable objects, whereas binary output and analog output are writable objects. Telegram direction field is used to configure type of communication. Default value is read. There are two types of direction: read and write. Enable device field is used for enable-disable the communication. Save button is used to save all the details in the tag database. This exit button will discard changes and close the screen. That's all about DNP3.0 driver.
Thank you for watching.